You girls having fun?
Tea, what?
What are you doing?
I'm doing the tea.
Bella, what you doing?
Cupcake.
Very good. That was great. This is for mommy. That's exactly right. I'm videoing for mommy.
And mine too.
So she can see what a mess you girls are. You girls are having fun though, huh? Yes, that's very pretty. You did a good job. Sandra, I like yours too. Got quite a few pictures. What'd you say earlier? You're glad to paint? Say it again.
I'm glad to paint.
Oh goodness, Bella. She's not trying to. It's just sticking to her feet. Oh. You are such a mess.